Welcome back to StockSmart. Now we've honed in on a Kapok weekly list. And checking this one out, we've got Stfc popping $33 today. 51.12, 33.84. What a move. So let's go back and look at our indicators and see what we can see. We can see a Darvis bull flag would have thrown us onto it. Our buy the dip indicator gave us some good dip opportunities through here. Rock bottom caught it, and our super YouTube caught it too. I like the way that our TTM squeeze here catches everything with our moving averages here. All right. And now we have, you see this bottom here. Look at that. Very good. Nice crash. Recovery. All right. Let's keep on charting through. We have it on a 5 tick. Okay. So it gives us some fairly clear signals here. All right. So we can use this information to read these indicators better in the future. Okay. As we're using this as a buy signal, this is a buy signal, this is a buy signal, and of course we're covering green bricks as a buy signal as well. All right, check all that out. Stfc, and this is the Kapok weekly list. And we'll pull up that Kapok. That way you can see how that looks too. And it may or may not display on Ranko, so we'll see. P. All right. I think we're going to want number 2 here. And we'll hit apply. And it looks like NA all across the way. And we'll go over here to daily. And we can see exactly what happened. It was trending down, 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 down. Rock bottom, and then boom, look what happened. Darvis signal. Okay, now this is on the day, all right? But we were alerted to what was going on way back here had we found this at the 1669 level. So we could have started building our position back on 7.7, okay? And Stfc. Now, we can go in and see where Stfc made itself present in our lists. So let's pull up our Gmail here and see if we can find something. Alright, and let's get that pulled up. Excellent. And we'll go Stfc. Okay, well guess what? Stfc was a sneaky little thing. Check it out. Alright. We'll open our whole page here. And we can see that it only gave us 2 alerts here. On the Kapok Weekly, and then it hit it with the masses on the 4 YouTube example 4 hour. Alright. Excellent. So it kind of snuck in there. It did hit the Kapok first, though. And that is one that we try to pay attention to, alright? So we'll get rid of our page here. Don't need that anymore. Alright, we'll drop our page over here, and we will continue. Alright, down and up, dip in the middle. Let's go and bring that out to the weekly, and we can see what happens. We get these buy, 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 buy signals, alright? Now, had this watch list been active at this time, of course, we would have known about it at this low. This is, what, last year? Okay. Yeah, 2020. All right, and there's our big fake out Darvis box reversal signal. All right, so I'm going to need to build a scan looking for specifically this downwards arrow where this happens. All right, and I do believe it should be present somewhere around when we cross below 0. Okay, and here we are coming back above and getting a buy signal, although I don't know if that buy signal can be trusted just yet. Most of them can be. All right. Now, State Auto Financial Corp, let's just say that they've had some good times, the good earnings and whatnot. All right. It is saying buy it on the weekly, so it may continue to run, given our current low here. All right, which on the 1 hour chart we were well aware of. And our Kapak still pops above here on the 1 hour chart. So that kind of gave us a good signal in. All right. Let's go a little lower and see if we can still find it. Yep, still good. Gets you in there. This really gets you in on time. This is about the best signal we found here, taking advantage of the low. Let's take the 15-minute. All right. And this was still about the same. Some good signals there. All right. So you can be well ahead of the game. All right. And then we still get this Kapak too when it shoots up above here. And it's still accurate down to the 1 minute level. Now I had to take a Kapak curve study and alter the aggregate times in it to get it to work. Okay, so we see this is our rock bottom here, and then price shoots up and gives us a bunch of good signals. But now it looks like we want to level off somewhere around here. Now let's pull this out and see what exactly we can find. We don't need to see the TPO profile code. Apply. All right. And it looks like, yeah, we are just way, way overextended now. Checking out weekly, it looks like it shot up. A lot of people are going to go short from here. It's going to push the price back down, but really overall on the weekly, the 150, this is showing that it's about to turn into a very good buy signal. So that could be why that happened. All right. This is the beginning of a very strong upwards trend, I would say, but had to make a strong jump up. That way they can get control of this whole area on the way back down. It makes sense. Okay. Yep. Same deal here. Looks like they're trying to create a level up here. That's kind of, this is more of, that's more like it for right now. All right, but that is that big popper for today. Look at that one go. Let's see what else we've got over here on our list. Nothing that really moved like that. Disney took a bit of a move. Okay. I know they had some high options activity. All right. But for the Kapak Weekly, that was pretty good. They don't normally go off like that, but it's important to watch that list, and that's why we have that specifically over in the Discord group. So make sure you hit that Discord link down below. Come and join us, and you can be well aware when they go off like that too. All right. So for the Kapak day, we've got CLF. All right. And we see they did have a genuine bull flag there, and we can see we had our fake out bull flag before the big run here. So once again, let's be reminded to build a scan of this. Okay. And a bit overextended it is, with some gaps way down here. I don't like it. I don't trust it. I don't want it. I won't buy it. All right. So yes, it may have popped off on the day. That may be true. Okay. And that will be relative to our Kapak day plot. Okay. We can apply that, and we can drag it right on top. Olé. Now we can get our regular plots, and we can see when they fire on the daily. Okay. Let's see, we got that big signal there. Big signal here. Let's go over and check out AMC. And we see some of those good signals right here before we get in, and we see a big move up. It does certainly seem to be crashing down a bit right now, though, doesn't it? Okay. Hitting a bit of a high, it is. All right, and that's that first cross above 0. So we are going to have a little bit of a pullback and before we get the rip, so that's okay. All right, we should expect this to come down, everything go flat, and then we'll start to see things start to recover after they come down and touch this $25 area level. And just to let you know that I'm confident with that too. I mean, we can, you see I have all of these marks set on the way down. And when we do hit this bottom level of 1949, that is where we will start seeing, some orders filling and even myself getting back in, okay. And we'll see this Kapok weekly list here. And we have ASTR. All right, and that's a star going off. And once again, there's your fake out on the weekly Darvis signal for a big breakout. A buy signal recognized here on 6-7 in the Kapok plot. Okay. 4 hour, we can use our day plots to find it here. And we start to see big moves as it trends back up from 0 here. All right. Really, this move here, coinciding with this cross above 0 on the TTM squeeze, very important. Más importante. All right. We see these dips here, too. Very good. Easy to follow things. And a gap way up here in ASTR, so we can expect it to pop up to at least this point or where it hits its most resistance here at the 1950. This is probably where they went short from. Yeah. And a gap right here. So play your gaps right. Expect it to gap down to at least the 1151. And then we can look for a gap up to this level and just keep playing them like that. Okay. Remember, if I, hit that subscribe button, consider coming over to Patreon and supporting my work. And, we hit those 400 subs. We'll put this rock bottom detector over on GitHub for everybody to go grab. A little free giveaway, but you help me, I help you. Do those good turns daily, help someone out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.